Hi everybody, it's Mike Bolger, your local real estate source for all things real estate in Waterloo region. When it comes to selling your property, one of the most important steps is hosting a perfect open house. This is a chance to let potential buyers know that tour your home to get a good sense of what it would be like to live there. Here are some of the best tips for hosting an open house this year. First, make sure your home is clean, decluttered, and staged to perfection. This means removing personal items like family photos and keeping the decor very neutral and appealing to a wide range of buyers. Secondly, consider hiring a professional photographer to take high-quality photos of your home. These photos can be used in your online listing and marketing materials. This can also attract a lot more buyers to the open house. Thirdly, create a welcoming atmosphere for potential buyers. This means making sure that your home is well lit, comfortable, and smells great. This can even offer refreshments and snacks to the potential visitors to make them feel at home. Fourthly, be prepared to answer questions to the potential buyers may have about the home, and this means having information about the property and the neighborhood and all the local amenities on hand. You should also be prepared to negotiate and discuss any offers that may come in on the spot. Potential buyers, and finally consider working with a professional real estate agent just like myself to host your open house. I have the experience, the expertise that can help prepare your home to market your property's potential buyers and negotiate offers for you. So if you're looking to sell your property and host a successful open house, give me a call or visit my website to learn more about my services. I am here to help you achieve your real estate goals. Thanks again for watching. My name is Mike Bolger. Give me a call anytime with any of your questions at 519-616-2656. Thanks again for watching. Take care.